Boat Shipping Mississippi Premium Boat Transport. Transporting a boat in Mississippi is a task wisely left to professionals. Trying to DIY ship a vessel is sure to end up in wasted time, overextended finances, and even a damaged boat. It is understandable to be concerned about the price tag required to hire a team of professionals to handle a vessel transportation project. However, going without one can be even more costly. It is vital to bear in mind that boat transportation isn't a task for amateurs. Instead, it demands professionalism, skill, experience, and a proven plan. One Auto Transport has decades of success in vessel shipping. The firm knows the ins and outs of boat shipping projects, from the practical work to the logistics of working with third parties. The company has a solid reputation for safety, security, reliability, and honest dealing with customers. Our company offers a range of vessel transportation methods. Some highlights include the following. Global Yacht Transport. Our team is a leading expert in the international transportation of yachts. Overland Transport. We regularly transport boats nationwide, securely, on schedule, and at an affordable price using our shipping vehicles. Roll-on, roll-off. A shipping choice is a good option for many vessel transport jobs, including those trying to control expenses. A One Auto Transport is the top choice in boat shipping today. Call our team at 1-888-230-9116 to have any questions answered, schedule your project, and get a free, transparent price quote.